On today's episode of the Jamaican cooking journey, I'll be sharing with you a little Tina's, just a little Tina's recipe. But before I go on to that tutorial, I just want to pause here to say special thanks to all the new people coming on to our pages, lending us their support. Thanks to those who went and they are coming back, and special super thanks to those that never left and are still there with us. I want to send a special shout out to my patrons. If you'd like to be a part of my patron family, click on the link in the description and show me some love right over on Patreon. Of course, our post notification shout outs today, they go right up there. So today we're going to be doing this. It is this. Everybody know this. But I don't know what the brand we call it, spam. It doesn't matter. But this one is saying some chicken loaf, chicken luncheon loaf chicken. But we still call it spam at Jamaica. Everybody know this. So I'm going to show you how you can get a little midweek dinner quick and easy. Just like a Tina canned beef. Fix it up nice. Get it all nice and looking good. I don't know how you cook yours. But share with me in the comment section how you prepare yours. Okay? So in the next clip, I'm going to drain this. Pull it, drain it. And I'm going to start preparing it in the next clip. So okay, now cooking fam. I've just removed my spam or whatever from my tin, and I am draining it. I've drained it and patting it dry with paper towel. You could do this with your kitchen towel. You know, you like a linen kitchen towel. So I'm going to be slicing it into some slices, not too thick, not too thin. So we might get about 5 slices from this. Yes. And this can dinner 5 people when you fix it like, oh, I'm going to be fixing it. So we got our slices there. Yeah, 5 slices of our spam. Here we got our little condiments, a little scallions, a little red and a little white onions. And over here, I got me my little oil coming to cup. 1 peg of smashed garlic right there. So we don't want it getting burned. Just flavor the oil. That's all we want to do. Flavor the oil. And that is good for us at this point because we can return it when we are making the gravy. Reasonably hot, and we are going to be browning off these little spam. Yeah. Make sure your oil, you know, reasonably heated. We are going to brown them off from side to side. Yeah, man. That is basically how we are starting it right now. Next clip. We are ready to turn now, fam. If you want to get them browner, you can go ahead. But you know what? Make them stay there and get burnt, you know? Yeah. This is a little midweek thing coming. And I know most people have these in their pantry at both home and abroad. Yeah. So, our spam, they have been finished, fried off. We have a little condiments them. And of course, we are putting them in here. I'm going to return my garlic. If you want to put new ones, you can. I'm going to be doing this. Get the flame up a little. What I'll be making now, like a nice little gravy. Yeah, we'll make one nice little gravy right there. So we are keeping busy with our little onions and with little scallion in there. Yep. We don't want them getting burned, you know. And remember, so we look at garlic in it too. I'm going to turn this down a bit. So now I am going to be putting a pepper, a pickled Scotch bonnet. So if you are on the Jamaican Debbie Deb's train, you would have seen that we made a bottle of pickled pepper and some pickled celery. So I'm putting some of this pickle. It's not the regular pickle, but this is just peppered pickle, and it's stored in the refrigerator. So this pepper has absorbed all of that pickling flavor. So we have it in there, which is gonna be one of the sweetest flavors out. And we ain't gonna, this is what we're not gonna be doing. We're not gonna be bursting the pepper. We're gonna let it stay around right in there. Yeah, so that is all we are doing it with our onions. Still looking nice, and all of them look something there. Yeah? Yeah. Look at that. About a tablespoon of ketchup. Not much because it's not a lot. Let's see how it goes as we put our ketchup in. And of course, a little water. Not much either. Get our flame up. If you want to put ketchup or you want to put some tomato paste, that would be good. Look at that. This is so nice. We don't want to get it too, you know, we just want to get it. And you see the onions, they're still looking so good. Yeah, man. Tell me what you know about that. Touch of cayenne, nothing too much. If you got small children feeding. Touch of smoked paprika for just a little extra flavoring. A little pinch of salt because these tin meats, they're really kind of little salty sometimes for some of us. Yeah, so look at that. This is what it looks like. And we're going to stay there. We're going to get our heat up. Yeah, and it's going to stay there until everything just come together a little. In the next clip, I'll show you how I'll be plating this. Easy. 1, 2, 3. Let's make this midweek plate. So we got a little white rice here. We got our gravy there. And we got our spam here. So let us get a little rice in. Like that. So what we're going to be doing right now, we are going to plate up, we are bowl up a little rice to how much you want. See? So we are going to flip our bowl. Maybe you want to move it to the side. And our rice is out. Yep. Now we are gonna gracefully, gently, gracefully take up our little spam. Yeah, we are giving the person 2 pieces because, you know, I was just showing you that you could it could serve 5 people. Because you know some people they don't eat that. So here we got our 2 slices of spam, and we have this. Definitely, it's a nice little out of this world gravy. So you just come and you want to get some on here. So at the same time, I'm showing you how to do it. And also how to make a nice little plating. Put as much gravy. It's midweek. We don't have any vegetable. But you could probably open a tin of green beans. Ready made and all of that. Let's clean your plate and return. Here we go. Our little spam midweek dinner. Pretty from every angle. Our boiled up white rice and with spam, as I say. Put a little green beans, put a little something where you want to have beside it. It is all in midweek dinner. Really easy. In the fall season here, you can't go wrong. Thanks for loving, thanks for supporting. I'll catch you again with another video.